Hey Honey Bites, it's your girl BJ the Tech Bae and welcome to Tech Bae Gaming. So let me go ahead and tell you what this video is going to be about. We're doing an unboxing for my office and we're also going to get my office together because it's a mess. We're going to go a little into I'm going to go into detail on the background. Let me just tell you, I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like now. We listen and we don't judge. We view and we don't judge, okay? The issue was I have no cable management whatsoever, and I had a standing desk that I ended up breaking because I stood on the cable when I was standing up.
How, Sway? Take a few steps back to go.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
So I had to get me a new desk. I got me a couple of things to help with the cable management just to make sure everything's crisp, clean, and pristine because I'm tired of it looking the way it's looking, okay? And once we get it to where it looks, we're gonna keep it that way. But yes, so we're going to work on getting my office area today. That's all what today is. Unboxing the stuff that we're going to use in the office area and putting it together, decorating it. So yeah, y'all ready? Again, we listen, we watch, we don't judge. Okay, so this is my office area. PC's down there. As you can see, there's a lot of cables, multiple monitors. And then we're gonna go to the front. So many things going on. Yes, so many things going on. Again, we watch and we don't judge. All these cables, they gotta go somewhere. And then I have my shelving area right here. We getting all of this together. I'm finna show y'all what the desk is going to look like. So I like the L-shaped desk. I'm gonna keep the L-shaped desk, but it's not going to look like this. There's cables underneath the desk. Yeah, it's just a lot going on. So yeah, we're going to get this area taken care of, wipe everything out, make sure it looks all presentable because I'm tired of breaking all these cables and cords. I need them to be functional, but organized. So that's what we're doing today. So this is the shelving area. We're gonna get all of this together. So as far as cable management goes, I have two things that I purchased. The first thing is the Yeekay 6x15.7 inch cable management. First of all, these, you don't need to use any tools. You can definitely cut it if you need to. It's J-shaped for easy organization. You can put it under the table, along the table, or on the table leg. They're very thick to hold multiple cables. And you can cut these. So definitely gonna use these. I got a box cutter, so if I need to, I can definitely do that. I don't know how this desk is going to look, but we'll see in just a second. The other item that I have for cable management is the Antane Surge Protector Power Strip. It's a 10-foot cord. It comes with 4 USB ports and 1 USB-C port and then 12 AC multiple outlets. And it's cute too. Hold on, let me just unbox this for a second. I'm gonna go back to unboxing this, but I was really excited about this. So let me go ahead and unbox this. You see how short and cute this is? And there's 3 times 4 is what? 12. It also has a power plug right here. This is definitely a 10-foot cord, so I shouldn't have any problems. I should be able, I have a lot of stuff to plug up, but I don't think that I have 12 things to plug up, so I think this should be fine as far as using this to plug up all of my laptops. What I have, 3 laptops, 2 monitors, a PC, and then all of my smaller things like my microphone and What else do I have? Microphone, my Stream Deck. Most of the stuff I have is USB ports or USB-C ports. So I think we should be okay with having enough ports for all of my devices. If not, guess what? The desk also has ports, so we'll be good to go. And then this, we're going to go ahead and open up as well so you can see the J shape. Kids, please do not do this at home. Have a parent assist with this. It's very sharp and very dangerous. Ooh. Okay, so yes, they have a sticky on the back. It's tight enough for first of all, so it's adjustable. It's tight enough for it to fit the cords, but also tight enough for the cords to not fall out. And there are, let me see how many there are in here. What it does say on the back of the box is do not use this until 24 hours after it sticks. So let it stick for 24 hours. So you're gonna wipe the desk clean, peel off the backing, stick the channel on there, and then wait before putting your cables in there at least 24 hours. So I will go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like it came with 6. And the big thing that we got, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this box because I'm definitely gonna be using this, is my desk. If you can see in the corner, it's over here. I'm gonna try to drag it over here because guess what? We're gonna be putting it together on camera today. I'm a little nervous because I've never done this. I've always had either a male friend, maintenance, or my ex would put stuff up for me. So, you know, as a strong Black independent woman who's also single, we're gonna do it ourselves today. Okay. Moment of truth. Can I even drag it over here? Ugh. Okay. So, this is the, let me look at the name. Okay, I had to make sure my address wasn't visible. But anyways, the name of it is the 7-table gaming desk with drawers. It's 47.2 inches long, or with the L-shaped desk. Wait, hold up. Oh no, I didn't get the 42. I had to make sure I didn't get the 42, the 47. I got the 90 or the 55.1 inch. So I have the 55.1 inch L-shaped desk with storage shelves. It comes with the LED light and power outlets. Wait, hold up. Let me make sure. Because now it's showing that the black one don't come in that one. And I know I paid for the black. Hold on. But anyways, it comes with drawers. It comes with outlets. It comes with the LED lights. It comes with the whole 9 yards. And I'll have everything that I purchased linked down below. I did not get the wrong one. Does this look like it's 47 inches or does it look like it's 55 inches? Now I don't know. I was supposed to purchase the 55-inch one. Oh my gosh. Anyways. All right. If you watch Tech Back Gaming, you know that sometimes I'll be having crash out moments. I thought this was going to be one of those moments where I mistakenly ordered the wrong thing or they sent me the wrong thing, but it's the right one. It's the 55-inch. I looked at my order details and it says it on the box. I just had to look a little further down. So what we're going to do is go ahead and start with opening. Hey, you guys, it's day 2 and we're back at a different angle. This is the angle that you're probably going to see me more. It's just probably going to be raised up a little bit because if y'all don't know, you won't be able to see me. But anyways, it's day 2. We did the bulk of everything yesterday, which was putting the desk together and putting everything on the desk. Now we have to do cable management. I didn't do it yesterday because it said to wait 24 hours. That was around 7:42 when I finished. It's now 9:18 p.m. We're gonna finish that. Possibly do this shelf. Honestly, I just need to get all this extra stuff off. And I think I want to move the Funko down here on the shelf over here. So we'll figure that out. But that's what we're working on today is the cable management, which you'll see in a second how bad it looks. And then getting the shelf together. And then that's pretty much it. This office area is going to be done. Y'all gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy. I'm not gonna trip over no freaking cords. It's gonna be a good day. So let's show you what this cable management looks like. If you look, this is what it's giving. 11,000 cords. Those need to go under here. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to plug up everything I plugged up, but I had to work this morning, so that's why I just had to make sure everything was put up. Question is, where do I start? And I feel like I'm gonna have to get rid of this dock box or get another one because it's a lot going on. Okay, let's figure it out. All right, so I think for the most part, I'm pretty much done. There are some things that I do feel like I need to work on, but if you have any suggestions on what you think I could do to get rid of these cables, because, you know, the things work, but I just have really long cables. I probably should use more of them, but send me your suggestions in the comments down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like about my office area. I'm going to show you at the end. But yeah, I feel like this is pretty good as far as a start because I really had no idea what I was trying to do. I just did not like one, that my stand-up desk, I paid for a stand-up desk that one, I wasn't even using. And two, I ended up breaking it. So I'm like, if I'm going to use a regular desk, might as well get a regular desk. I'm proud of myself for putting this together by myself. Y'all didn't see the full thing, but I promise you I did do it. My battery died yesterday and it's finna die again. That's why I'm talking fast. It died yesterday. That's why you couldn't see anything. But my bestie called me. Well, yeah, he called me back after I called him the first time and he didn't answer. So I called my daddy. He called me back and he watched me on FaceTime do the rest of the desk. So it's good. It's done. I promise you. Thank you for coming to Tech Bay Gaming. My name is BJ the Tech Bay. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. I need to know in the comments what I could do to improve. I'm going to show you the whole office area, but just let me know in the comments what can be improved, what I can change, what you suggest, what you like. If you like some things, if you wanted links for some things that I got, put that in the comments too. But anyways, thank you for coming and see you back on the next video for Tech Bay Gaming. Bye.
Follow this girl.
Okay, it's recording
Subscribe.
now.
Subscribe. I don't know your account name. We gotta restart
Rihanna.
that. We gotta refocus.